Yo, what's up my charge people? As you lot can see from the title, I've just bought a rust bucket. Like, it looks good from the outside. It's got these nice size racing wheels, but I don't really like them. Let's show you around the car, see what you all think. Stay tuned, get charged, and hit that subscribe button, y'all. Jeez! Yes, look at that. Got the nice, lovely Evo spoiler. It says GSR. Nice bit of lacquer peel around here. Electric folding mirrors, y'all. Turbo. And yes, we've got these nice, lovely, minty fresh Recaro seats. Fire extinguisher, just in case. No, I'm joking. Hopefully we won't need it. Center console being tampered with or something. Manual. That's always a positive. Got the nice white Lockwood dials. Well, are they Lockwood? I don't know. What's in here, y'all? Penny. That's a penny off. Turbo gauge. Don't know what we're boosting. So yeah, the reason why we don't know what it's boosting, although it's been mapped, it's got a stainless exhaust. Let's go. It's like a little bloody pea shooter for one of these. What do you call that? But yeah, it's had money spent on it and everything. Let's show you into the engine bay. So it's all well and good. It looks like an Evo. Got all the Evo goodies. What's hiding under here? This here is where it all happens. The 1.8 turbo, 4-wheel drive, none running at the moment because the auxiliary belt is off from here. So this is what happened to auxiliary belt. It got ripped up, but we've got a new one here. What the previous owner told me is this is what broke on it, so we need to replace that. It should theoretically still run, but we need to fit that. New tensioner, new belt. It's been decatted. We've got some fuel for it, and some belts and pulleys and so and so. This one's a nice one. What scares me about this project, right, is when we got on the recovery truck. It's not the best of footage, but it's showing you what it's about, and I kind of regret it now, you know, like, you'll see what I mean. Check this. Right, so this is the underneath. If we can show you, sort of. Jeez.
That fell off.
Oh wow. Jeez. So after getting it on the truck and doing the deal and everything and seeing that, I was like, do you know what? Did I make a mistake or not? Is it worth saving it? Or do we get rid of it? But what we're gonna do, we've showed you the car, and yeah, next episode, we're going to try getting it running. We're going to get the belt on and auxiliary belt and everything. And see if it runs. We've got some fuel for it now. About 10 litres. But yeah, even just looking into the back here, I can see rust, man. Come, look at that. I don't know whether it's surface rust. Oh my god, even this is bloody crumbling. Great. I should have bought a bloody drift car instead. So, on the positive note, though, look at this. That there, if you can see it, is a HKS cam cover, clear one. And the pulleys have been uprated. It's been remapped. It's got a strut brace on the front. Nice aluminium heat shield. Tubber. K&N filter. Took the battery out because that needs charging. Front mount intercooler. Jeez, that's a big old intercooler. I forgot what this is being mapped at, you know. Oz Racing rims, 15-inch. Don't really see them about no more. Paintwork's not too bad. It would get buffed out. Stainless with the decat. Look at that wing, yo. Jeez. Not just that, we've got an Alpine head unit in here. Climate control thing. Little spare glove box there. So not too bad for space, really. Pretty clean inside here, y'all. But what are you charged boosting at, y'all? Fire extinguisher. Shall we see if it works? Also, it's actually had a Cobra alarm system fitted with the certificate, which is Thatcham approved. 1.8 turbo, so cheaper on insurance. Clutch don't feel too bad. Gear shift feels alright, you know. Yeah, man. I want to get it running and take it for a little drive. You know what I mean? Steering wheel adjustment. But yeah, what do you lot all think of this 1.8 Lancer turbo? Is it a keeper or what? Because you know we had to get rid of the Sierra to get this. Was it a good maneuver or not? I like it. I love my Jack. You know what I mean? What do you all think? Right. That concludes this video of the latest project, which is a bloody rust bucket. And yeah, so it is what it is, and what we're going to do with it. Next video is basically see if it actually runs or not, and he said it runs, but whether it does or not, stay tuned. And yeah, we will try and get the belt on and everything. Other than that, prior to my previous video where I said hit the comment button for the merchandise, we only had 2 comments. So Twisted Soul and Leon Z, get in contact with me with your sizes and what colour t-shirt, and yeah, we'll get them sent out to you. It was supposed to be just one person, but because we only had 2 people commenting, you're both going to get one. So yeah, hit me up. Other than that, like, share, comment and subscribe, and stay charged and stay tuned, y'all.